Hi everyone! Good day! Hindi, actually it's good evening na. 6 PM na at I know sobrang late na ako nag-start mag-vlog. Medyo nahihirapan na kasi ako makatulog and parang meron akong pregnancy insomnia. So basically natutulog ako around 2 is the earliest and kaya kong matulog ng alas 5 ng umaga. But the thing is, of course, I need to be considerate with my baby sa aking womb dahil kailangan din syempre ng baby namin yung proper rest para sa isang buntis at para sa baby. So, ngayon, medyo bumawi ako ng tulog kaninang umaga. Pero medyo madami din akong ginawa. Kaya late na rin ako nag-start mag-vlog. And kung mapapansin nyo, bakit ganyan ng ipit ng aking hair? It's because nagpalagay ako ng oil sa buhok. Since nung ginagawa ko ito, medyo nakikita ko yung aking scalp ay nagiging mas healthier. And ang kinaganda din is hindi masyado nagpo-fall yung aking hair. Usually, di ba ang sabi nila kapag buntis daw, ang buhok ay nalalagas. Pero ngayon, mas pansin namin ni Daddy na wala masyadong buhok sa sahig at kumapal yung aking hair. At ngayon yung pinakamahaba kong buhok, like yung length niya. Kasi usually guys, nung college ako, parati siyang bob cut or hanggang dito lang sa aking shoulders. But ngayon, halos hanggang bewang ko na siya. We'll see kung mag-major makeover ako after ko buntis. Yun yung aking goal. But for today, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo guys yung ginawa ko homemade, skinless na sweet longganisa. So, ayan siya guys. Ayan yung aking ginawang homemade sweet longganisa na skinless. So, mamaya-maya magluluto ko ng dinner ko. But before that, may gusto akong i-share sa inyo. Hi guys! So, I'm back. As what you can see, nandito na naman ako sa aking favorite spot. Nakaupo na naman ako sa floor at andito na naman ang aming couch. Just to let you know guys, we're flipping our room inside and we need to turn around all the furniture para magkasya kaming tatlo dyan because we're going to have a housemate slash roommate this coming weeks. So, in 5 weeks for sure, andyan na kami nila baby Alexandra and together with Daddy. So, hindi ako makabalik doon sa aking dating setup. It's because binabago namin siya. We're on the process. So, dito muna ako for the beauty videos. But hopefully soon, kapag medyo naka-recover at nakapag-adjust na tayo with the baby, babalik na tayo dun sa ating dating setup. So, for today, actually, for tonight, I would like to share with you guys my top 5 favorite foundation. So, yung mga ipapakita kong foundation sa inyo guys, they are a mix of drugstore and high-end foundations. By the way guys, kung may naririnig kayong naglalakad sa taas, it's because we're here in the first floor at yung kapitbahay namin sa taas ay medyo senior na. So, we just need to understand and habaan ng patience dahil talagang ever since lumipat kami dito sa apartment, maingay na talaga ang kanilang mga paa. So, going back to the top 5 foundations na favorite ko. I would just like to let you know guys that I have a very dry skin. So, tendency, dapat kapag dry skin, ang aking mas favorite type ng finish ng isang foundation ay more of a moist or dewy or parang glowy type of foundation. But, hindi guys. Hindi ako mahilig sa mga ganong finish ng base or foundations or even BB cream and cushions. Ang gusto ko ay matte. Yun ang aking preference for myself. So, ako kasi yung tipo ng tao na it's either lalabas ako ng naka-makeup, like full glam makeup or walang makeup at all. So, kapag naglalagay ako ng base, like foundations, BB creams, cushions, mini-make sure ko na full coverage talaga sila. As well as, the finish needs to be matte. I have a dry skin. I don't have any problem sa mga napipili ko pa naman so far na foundation. Except sa mga dati kong na-try na hindi ko na talaga nagustuhan at all. Like yung Marc Jacobs, alam ko ang dami nagre-rave nun. Yung Marc Jacobs na full coverage Remarkable Foundation, hindi ko siya gusto para sa skin ko. It's because dito sa nose area ko, nagka-crack siya. So to start off with, sisimulan ko na sa drugstore foundation. Sabay ko na silang ipapakita sa inyo guys kasi for me, parang parehas lang naman ng kanilang performance sa aking dry skin. So these two were from different brands. The first is this LA Girl Pro Matte HD High Definition Matte Foundation. And the other one is this Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 24-hour foundation. So, I think both of this, familiar na kayo sa Philippines. Madami nang nag-review, mas lalo na tong si Maybelline. And for me, these two are, of course, they are both matte finish. And I super love yung finish nila kasi parang powdery na yung texture niya. And I don't need to put a lot of powder to set this base. So, etong isa kasi, suede yung finish, yung parang velvety yung kanyang feeling. Etong isa naman parang powdery sa aking skin yung feeling ng finish. So, etong dalawang ito, hindi ko kailangan ganun mag-bake ng sobra dahil matte finish na siya. So, hindi naman ako nag-oil up ng sobra-sobra dahil I have a dry skin. So, hindi nyo talaga makikita na nag-oil up ako kaya I really don't need to powder my face after kong i-apply itong dalawang foundation na to. Dalawang foundation na to, this is my top 5 and this is my top 4. Ito, bakit top 5? It's because yung color selection niya, guys, yung shade niya, sobrang nag-oxidize sa aking skin. Tapos, ang ayaw ko pa dito is that yung pag nag-oxidize siya, parang orange undertone siya, guys. Hindi na siya warm undertone eh. Orange talaga. So, what I like about this Super Stay Foundation from Maybelline naman is that hindi talaga siya nagka-crack sa aking face or yung namumuo-muo. And wala naman akong masabi sa kanyang cons kasi kapag ito ang ginagamit ko, super long wearing niya. Tapos, yung price niya para sa isang foundation, worth it. As in, worth it para sa akin. So, favorite ko to and these two together. So, si top 5 and si top 4. Next foundations that I'm going to show you, this is my top 3, which is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. Ayan, guys. This is around $34 and I think mabibili nyo to sa Sephora website and even sa Jouer website. Ito naman, guys, what I love about this is, of course, it has a high or full coverage ng foundation base. And a little goes a long way. At sobrang dali lang niyang i-blend with a damp sponge. Ang ayoko lang dito, guys, kapag ginamit nyo yung brush, parang hindi na ganun kaganda yung finish na kasi super, super kapal ng consistency nito. At ang tendency nito ay pwedeng mag-cake. So, para sa akin, nahanap ko yung mabilis na application at yung magandang finish ng application, which is yung damp sponge nga. I guarantee you, this foundation, lahat ng gusto nyong itago sa mukha, matatago nyo. Yung veins, dark circles, kahit hindi na kayo gumamit ng concealer. So, my top 2 foundation is from Yves Saint Laurent or YSL, itong All Hours Foundation. And yung shade ko is BD30 or Warm Almond. So, ito naman, guys, super favorite ko to. Actually, ito yung sinuot ko nung mga previous occasions na may inatinan kami. Like the baby shower, tapos yung nag-photoshoot kami ni Daddy nung birthday ko. Super love ko to, guys. You know why? Kasi full coverage siya. Of course, high coverage. Matte finish. And what I love about this is that sa aking skin kapag well-prepped talaga ang aking skin and well-moistured talaga siya, yung kanyang finish sa aking face is parang combination ni Maybelline Super Stay tsaka ni LA Girl, which is like parang suede, velvety, powdery. So I really don't need to powder much my entire face. At ang gusto ko pa dito is that hindi siya ganun ka-thick yung consistency. And kapag nilagay mo siya sa face, yes, it is full coverage, pero hindi siya yung parang nagsuot ka na ng mascara ng foundation. But may mga napanood kasi ako na ni-review nila tong foundation na to na hindi nila gusto. It's because it's either super drying sa skin nila o kaya naman grabe mag-oil up. So for myself, para sa aking skin condition at skin type, this works well. So my top 1 favorite foundation is this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover na foundation stick. And yung shade ko is 120 or Y245. So what I love about this, kung bakit siya yung pinaka-top one ko, is that, of course, this is a stick. So, convenience-wise, ang dali lang niyang i-apply sa face. Like, application-wise, super dali niya. And that's what you can see, guys, so, as in, wala na talaga. Ito yung foundation ko na naubos ko talaga in a year before. Pero sinama ko na siya dito kasi ito talagang holy grail ko na foundation. Una sa lahat, ang masasabi ko is that kapag ito yung foundation na suot ko, wala akong problema na i-match siya sa aking neck area kasi sobrang kamatch nito yung aking face and neck. Pag nilagay ko siya, in-apply ko siya, as in, maganda talaga siya. The next thing is that the coverage, of course, is medium to full coverage. Tapos, hindi siya nagki-cake at all sa akin. Ito yung foundation na nasuot ko for more than 12 hours, guys. I know, hindi advisable na magsuot ng ganong kahabang oras sa isang makeup. Pero na-try ko na siya na ganong kahaba yung longevity niya para sa aking skin type. Isa pa sa mga dahilan kung bakit ko to gusto, it's because kapag nagpapapicture ako, as in parang poreless yung itsura ng aking face. Tapos talagang nako-cover niya lahat ng sumpa sa mukha ko. Sumpa talaga. Hindi naman sumpa kasi meron akong keratosis pilaris. Hindi niya, guys, na-emphasize yun. Not at all. As in, no dry patches. As in, this is the perfect foundation for me, even if it's a stick foundation. So yun lang, guys. I know this is a fast talk-through video about my top 5 favorite foundations. So yun, guys. Yun lang ang aking ma-share for today. And by the way, if you're wondering bakit wala si Daddy Love, it's because he's at the gym. Nagtuturo siya ng kanyang dance fitness na part-time job. Actually, hinahayaan ko siyang pumunta ng gym kasi kailangan niya talagang mag-workout dahil 3 days na simulang since nung hindi siya nag-workout. So, he really needs to. And, yun lang, guys. Most probably, we'll see him tomorrow kapag may time siya. He's just super busy sa work. But hopefully, magpakita siya sa video tomorrow. So, yun lang, guys. So, by the way, if you do like this video, you can click the thumbs up button. And if you would like to see my future uploads, you can click the subscribe or the bell buttons. And I will see you tomorrow on our next Vlogmas day. Thank you, guys! Bye!